think you're grumpy and mean. You should be a little sweet. Let them know you're sweet. We are headed to Granny's. We're gonna go film a cooking video with Granny today. And oh my goodness, she's already been blowing my phone up. I accidentally overslept because I didn't turn my alarm on because I thought, oh, you know, I'll be up because I'm usually up anyway. But we had a bit of a late night last night because my son, Cody, he come and spent the night with us last night. So we were all up late, just visiting and having fun. And we grilled. James grilled us some delicious ribeyes. We had green salad, and I cut Cody's hair, and then I made us chocolate chip cookies. And Buster was in heaven, and we just had an awesome time. It was so much fun. Sarah is out of town with her family, spending time with them, and Cody couldn't go because he has to work. So that's why he come and spent the night with us. And we had a good time, didn't we, James?
Yep.
And then James surprised me this morning and decided he wanted to go with me. I think he really just wants to go eat what we cooked today, or what Granny cooks today. Which, I'm not sure what that is yet, because I know it requires hamburger meat because I have it in my car. I had to pick hamburger meat up, so I don't know what it's going to be. So y'all just have to stick around and see. But it's a very hot, humid, is it cloudy day today. And I'm already burning up. I'm going to die this summer, I think, with all this heat. Ugh, I can't handle it. James, I can't handle it. What am I going to do?
Suck it up.
My ray of sunshine, y'all. Look. The video that come out this morning called Confession Time. I don't know if y'all understand. I can't really tell because there's no voice inflections with the comments, but we were just goofing off on the back porch, picking with each other. That was not a real fight. Trust me, that was not a fight. And he was not being ugly. That was just us having fun. I think some of y'all understand that, but I'm not sure some of y'all do. So, just letting you know, he really is a sweetheart. And he goes above and beyond to make sure that we are taken care of and have everything we want and need. And so, I just wanted to kind of add that in case there was any misunderstandings about that. Right, James?
Right.
He's a man of many words. Sometimes you can't shut him up. He's just jabber, jabber, jabber. So anyway, I will give y'all a little glimpse of Granny when we get up there, and let her say hey to y'all. And it'll be a few weeks before the video comes out because I already have some scheduled and uploaded. But it's going to be fun. It always is. I always have so much fun with her. So I will check in with y'all in just a little bit. I'm here at Granny's. We're fixing to do a cooking video. Huh, Granny? Tell her hey.
Hey there.
So I'm getting all set up to film and we'll get started. Sitting at Granny's, waiting for our dish to cook up so we can finish the video up. And y'all, let me show y'all what she's doing. Over there on that iPhone. Look at these people. Let's look. Over there on her iPhone. And they talk about us younger generation. Get off your iPhone, Maud.
I am. I'm trying to call Leela for you.
I have to give her a hard time because I love her so much. Don't I, Granny? Don't I love you so much?
What?
Don't I love you so much?
Convenient.
What? I love you when it's convenient?
Well, the thing is, I raised her. All right, Leela.
James.
So, I know her pretty well.
So in other words, y'all, she is responsible responsible for all this right here. So if y'all have any complaints, y'all need to take it up with Granny. Granny, do you like doing these cooking videos?
I love it.
You do?
The kitchen's where I belong.
So do you want us to start your own YouTube channel and call it Cooking with Granny?
No, I really don't.
You just want to stay on my channel?
I retired from work 30 years ago.
So you just want to stay on my channel?
Right.
Okay. Well, when are we going to film another video?
When you call it.
Okay. So, do I need to ask the people if they have any suggestions or what they want to see you cook?
Would be a good idea if I have the recipe.
Okay. Y'all heard her. Just tell us what y'all want to see next. Don't you have a dessert?
Oh, yes.
Don't you have a dessert dumpling recipe? It's like a dessert.
But I
It's
do
like
have...
an apple dumpling.
Oh, apple dumplings, yeah.
So it's another dumpling recipe, but it would be a dessert.
But I have a better dessert recipe that you can make in about 10 minutes.
Is that something y'all be interested in seeing? If y'all want to see that, just let us know. Because we here to please, huh, Granny?
Right?
We here to please. All right, so since I'm at Granny's, I'm going to show y'all something. I'm going to show y'all my senior portrait. Are y'all ready for this? Hold on. There's yours truly, my senior portrait. Woo, check out that hair. All good and fried. And that's my cousin. It's more like a brother. Okay, now Granny wants to show y'all her favorite picture of me. And I want all the grandchildren who are watching this to realize I'm the only one that she has in her bedroom in a frame that she looks at every night before she goes to bed. Y'all don't be hating. All right, so hold on. Tell them about this little picture.
Well, that little picture happens to be my baby that I slept with every night of her life. And I made her that little dress. I made her probably one every week. And when she outgrew it, I give that one to her cousin. And oh, she got unhappy.
Who got unhappy? I did?
You got unhappy. It was like you didn't have nothing else to wear.
Oh my goodness. All right, y'all. So I'm sitting on my granny's bed. This is where she would lay every night, and look what's in view. No wonder you have such sweet dreams, Granny. No wonder. What? Who is that?
That was my husband.
Oh. How long had y'all been married in that picture? Did y'all just get married in 3 days?
Shipped out overseas for 22 months.
Y'all only married 3 days when that happened.
3 days.
Oh, wow. Let's get a close-up. I have y'all in my living room on my bookcase. Oh, my gosh. Y'all, look. That's my nephew's baby. Look. What's his name, Leela?
Kirby.
Kirby.
He's vicious.
That little thing is little.
How old is he?
But loud, honey. He won't give him a minute's rest.
10 weeks.
Probably.
And you're having to keep him while Darren's on the road?
Yeah.
What was you saying about Leela?
She's my sidekick.
Kirby. And you, so if it wasn't for Leela, you'd be living with me?
No, I take that back.
Kirby. Granny. I need to dig me up some petunias while I'm here. There's a little one right here.
By the door.
Uh-huh.
That's where it's gonna stay.
I can't have that one?
But
But I can get me some if but you got to pick them out?
I'll pick them out.
Okay. All right, so we're going to look at, come here, Buster. Look at these petunias. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, Granny. Yes, yes. I'm going to take a picture of that. Hold on. Ooh, it's a hot one. We're just leaving Granny's. We had so much fun hanging out with her. What do you think, James?
Yep. I love Granny.
She's a mess. She's so much fun. So I hope y'all enjoy this vlog with her on here. She is my heart, and I just love her to pieces. So I'm gonna get home. Well, we need to go to Lowe's. I need to get me some pot and soil. and some flower pots. So we might go to the one in Goshen. Okay. So, yeah. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I'm sitting here watching my son on the table podcast live. Y'all not watching him on the podcast or listening to him on his podcast. If you like family friendly, clean, you might want to check him out. I'll link his podcast in the description below. But we just went to Lowe's a while ago. Got me a couple pots. The one we went to earlier today didn't have anything. And I give James another project for me. So, for the bathroom. And he's so excited that I'm keeping him busy. Aren't you, James? You're so excited I'm keeping you busy?
So excited.
Keeping you busy, James.
So excited.
I'm going to replace the cabinet over my toilet in the front bathroom with a shelf like this. But he's going to fix it to where I can stain it. And then the cabinet that I take down from in there, I'm going to put in my laundry room. So yeah, have some projects. Watching Cody and them. Anyway, I just wanted to check back in and say I hope y'all have enjoyed this vlog. Oh, this vlog with my granny, spending the day. We just had so much fun spending time with her today, and she's a mess. She's a mess. But so I will touch base with y'all later. Y'all have a good night. Bye, y'all.